You know that moment when you need a whole army of distinct heroes and your character budget just evaporated. That is exactly why this bundle exists. This mega collection packs dozens of rigged warriors, archers, and mages right out of the box. Each model comes with multiple texture variations, so you can outfit your entire party without touching a modeling tool. The variety here is the real win. You get heavy armor knights, swift archers, elemental mages, and even some rogue types. Drop them into any fantasy scene and they look cohesive. Early buyers have given it 4 stars, and while there are only a couple of reviews so far, the folks who grabbed it appreciate the sheer volume of usable characters. One thing to note, these are just the character meshes and textures. No animations are included, so you will need to supply your own movement sets or use Unity's generic animation system. At $400 on sale, that works out to about $12 per character model. A steal for any serious RPG. Grab it, link below. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Ever spent a weekend trying to sculpt a single troll? I have. This monster bundle saves you from that pain by handing you hundreds of creatures ready to scare your players. This bundle covers everything from giant spiders and skeletal legions to massive dragons. Each creature comes with multiple skins and LOD levels, so you can stress test your GPU without fear. The real highlight is how quickly you can set up an encounter. Drag a goblin pack into the scene, swap their textures, and you have a brand new tribe in under a minute. With a 3-star average from a couple of reviews, some say the modeling style is a bit dated, but fans appreciate the breadth. It is a giant library of fantasy foes. The main drawback is that a few of the older monster models have lower polygon counts than modern standards. Works fine for mobile or stylized projects though. For $400, you skip probably 40 hours of hand modeling creatures. That is serious time-saved ROI. Check the link. You have built a gorgeous scene and want to capture it for a trailer or a speedrun video. Finding reliable screen capture inside Unity can be a headache. This solves it cleanly. AVPro Movie Capture records directly from the game view with adjustable resolution, frame rate, and codec. It supports PNG image sequences as well as MP4, so you can produce broadcast-ready videos without external tools. Setup is about as easy as it gets. Attach a component to your camera, pick your output path, and hit play. The Ultra Edition also adds pro features like timecode and batch recording. With almost 9 reviews and a steady 4-star rating, users say it is the most reliable capture solution for Unity. Customer support from renderheads is also top-notch. The only catch is that real-time encoding can be demanding on CPU if you choose high bitrate. But you can lower settings or use image sequences for lightweight pipelines. Comparable video capture software for games costs hundreds of dollars and requires separate setups. This is $250 one time. Massive saving. Building a sci-fi level from scratch? The amount of modular pieces you need can be overwhelming. This Synty pack gives you entire star bases and planetary outposts in that signature poly style. You will find hundreds of meshes, corridors, hangars, control rooms, landing pads, all snapping together perfectly. Each piece comes in multiple color schemes, so you can create different factions instantly. The pack also includes animated doors, turrets, and even a few vehicles. Drop a player character in, and you have a playable level in a couple of hours. Weekend project fuel guaranteed. Over 14 ratings and a solid 4.2 stars. The community adores Synty's consistent art style and how easy it is to mash packs together. The polygon art style is charming, but it might not fit every project. If you need photorealism, this is not for you, but for stylized games, it is absolute gold. $250 sounds like a lot until you realize a single freelance level designer would charge 10 times that for a similar set. Absurd value. You want volumetric clouds, dynamic oceans, and growing vegetation all talking to each other. That is a lot of separate assets. This bundle combines them into one powerhouse toolkit. The volumetric lighting and cloud systems are genuinely stunning. You can set up sunrise rolls and storm fronts with sliders. The ocean shader reacts to wind and depth in real time. What really sets this apart is the developer support. The team responds on Discord with custom patches and even builds demos for you if something is tricky. That level of help is rare. 140 reviews averaging 4.9 stars. Users cannot stop praising the performance and the visual results. The community is very active. Be warned, the learning curve is steep. The inspector is cluttered and documentation is scattered. You will likely need to ask for help the first few times. But once it clicks, it is powerful. Think about this. If one client project uses this environment suite, you have paid it off 100 times over. $230, pure business ROI. You are building an action RPG and your fireball looks like a Blender glitch. That is where this bundle comes in. Over 600 unique visual effects to make every spell pop. The variety is insane: arcane, blood, ice, fire, lightning, holy, poison, water, wind, and more. Each effect uses high-quality textures and custom shaders, so they feel punchy and modern. Setup is straightforward. Drag a prefab onto your projectile or area of effect and it works. Many include sound effects and light animations out of the box. Instant polish. All 4 reviews give it a perfect 5 stars. The sample is small, but each one raves about the production value. This is a premium pack at a bargain price. Because there are so many effects, some of them overlap in feel. You might have 2 fire spells that look too similar, but you can easily tweak colors and particle settings to differentiate. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. $200 for 600 effects is emotional and practical satisfaction. Link in description. You want to put a 3D model onto a real-world table, but hate dealing with App Store approvals. Imagine WebAR lets you run AR straight from a link. That is powerful. World Tracker uses your phone's camera to anchor objects in real space. It supports occlusions and lighting estimation, so the virtual items blend with the room. Great for furniture previews or interactive demos. The best part is the workflow. You build your experience in Unity, export a WebGL build, and host it anywhere. No extra SDK integrations. Your users just scan a QR code and they are in AR. 29 reviews give it a solid 4.5 stars. Developers love how it simplifies WebAR deployment and the responsive support from the team. Performance depends a lot on the device. Older phones might struggle with complex scenes. Keep your models low poly and you will be fine. For $192.50, you skip building a custom AR tracking system from scratch. That is hours saved, time saved ROI at its finest. You're making a sci-fi game and your characters look great, but they have to walk everywhere. That kills the vibe. This pack gives you flying cars, tanks, helicopters, and planes. Each vehicle comes with 10 to 15 animations, wheel rotations, hover effects, landing gear, even gun turret movement. They are rigged and ready for root motion or in-place animations. You also get up to 4 skins per vehicle, so you can create different squadrons with a simple texture swap. The modular parts allow for customizing armor or weapons. Brand new pack without reviews yet, but the included demo videos show solid quality. The triangle counts are reasonable for most projects, between 19,000 and 48,000 per model. Note that particle effects like exhaust or explosions are not included. The demo uses free placeholder FX, so you will need your own VFX library to complete the look. $185 for 8 detailed vehicles with animations. Compare that to what a vehicle artist charges per unit. This is a steal. You are prototyping a fantasy RPG or first-person shooter and need weapons, characters, and environments fast. This bundle packs 13 full asset packs into one download. You get high-quality PBR models of swords, bows, shields, staffs, and firearms, along with modular dungeon and village pieces. The textures are crisp and the shaders work across all pipelines. Setup is as easy as dragging prefabs into your scene. The packs are designed to be mixed and matched, so your village can look different from someone else's with the same assets. 46 reviews and a stunning 4.91 stars. The community adores the consistent art style and rapid updates. This is a well-loved bundle. Some of the older packs in the bundle have lower resolution textures compared to the newer ones, but they still look good in game and you can always upgrade them. $179.50 for 13 packs. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. Absurd savings. Nature scenes can be the hardest to make look believable. Trees, grass, rocks, and water all need to harmonize. This bundle from Nature Manufacture does that harmony for you. You get high-quality vegetation with interactive wind and collision response. The water system creates realistic lakes and rivers with flow mapping. The textures are photo-scanned in PBR. The pack also includes terrain tools and biome assets like alpine, forest, and coastal prefabs. You can paint a complete scene with speed and consistency. Beautiful results in hours. 7 perfect 5-star reviews. Users say it is the best nature pack on the store. The small sample is all positive, and Nature Manufacture's reputation is stellar. The asset is large, over a gigabyte, so downloading and importing takes a bit, but once it is in, it runs smoothly. Just be patient with the initial setup. You have worked hard this month. Treat yourself to this bundle for $171.50. It will make your next nature scene look professional instantly. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.